Hey friends. Hi. How are you? I have a string on my paw. I have this blanket and I am obsessed with it. It's from Amazon and it has hands and a hood. It's a bear blanket and that is absolutely not related to this video. So hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. We're here to do a cash stuffing. The first cash stuffing of January 2026. I hope you're doing well. What day is it? It is what? It's Thursday, January 8th. I think I'm going to put this video out tomorrow, Friday. So you're probably seeing this on a Friday. So happy Friday. Happy weekend. Hope you're having a great day or whatever day this is. Hope it's wonderful. Oh, you know what? Well, okay. I did not cash in my change yet for 2025, but we're just going to add it in here. It's not a big deal at all. So let's check the rollover. This is the cash for the stuffing, and this is the rollover cash. So we'll count that in a second, but let me grab the change out. And as usual, just trying to keep my wallet off screen so I don't show anything, because I have done that in the past. And so there we go. I think there's a couple more though. Let's see. Yeah. I'm thinking about switching up my wallet because, yeah, there we go. My sister-in-law actually gave me the idea. I got a new purse recently, and this wallet it's a standard size wallet, but the purse is a little bit small, and so this fits in there, but it just fits. And so like if I'm at a store or something and I'm trying to put my wallet back in, it takes like a few extra seconds longer. And if you're someone that uses a purse, if you've ever felt the struggle or the anxiety or the internal pressure to get your money back in your wallet fast, and then get your wallet back in your purse fast and move out of the way in the checkout line, and then you know what I'm talking about. And I don't want to like take my change in my hand and then like take it with me because I don't want to drop it or lose it. Like, tell me you know what I'm talking about, because I know you know. If you use like a wallet and a purse and whatever. That is the eternal struggle of someone who uses a wallet and a purse and whatever. So anyway, I have this little, it's actually like a card wallet. It's like a little kitty cat thing. I probably showed it to you. I got it years ago. I don't know if it's from Temu or Amazon. It's from one of the two. But it's a little kitty cat. It's adorable. And you open it up and it's just all card slots. And I actually have that in my purse too. It has a bunch of cards in it, and actually like some of them even are outdated and have to go. And it's not full by any means. There's room in it. And she said, why don't you just use that as your wallet? Because it doesn't have like traditional like a spot for cash or a coin spot or anything like that. But I could just fold cash and put it in there, and I could just throw change in there. And then, of course, there's room for cards. So I might try that out, because that will give me much more room in the purse. And then it's a smaller wallet. And I don't know. We'll see. That's a lot of talking. Hi. So we have our change. Again, I need to cash this in. I don't know when that's going to happen. I need to do it, though. So that's that. And I also still need to do the count up of the finished savings challenges for 2025. So that will be coming. Maybe I should do that next after this video and the savings challenge video. That should be next. I should do that because I actually think we're going to finish a challenge in the savings challenge video, and then that's going to have to go into the envelope, but I don't want to put that in there, obviously, because that's going to be for 2026. Here comes my daughter. So actually, maybe before I film the savings challenge video, maybe I should film that just to get it out of the way, and then it actually won't air until after the savings challenges. Maybe I should do that. Okay, anyway, let's count up this rollover. So, ooh, there's another 20 back here. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 85, 90, 1, 2, $92. I absolutely love that for me. And this is, as usual, going to go to the side, and that will go towards savings challenges. Okay, let's see what we have for the cash stuffing. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So 240. And this video will be short as usual. So this is the budget planner, available on Amazon, linked below in my description box, also linked in my Amazon storefront. All my planners, my savings challenge books, all my books that are on Amazon have full flip throughs. I have a playlist called Amazon Books. So if you want to see the inside, check my playlist, because Amazon does not show pictures. And we're on a new month, which means we need to put our little month sticker. This particular planner does not have month headings. All of my other planners have the months listed. All of my planners are undated, so you can start them anytime, but they still have the months listed. So even though they're undated, they still have the month headers. This one is also undated, but I left the months blank because that's just what I wanted to do. And you can see, like, I started this one in November. So, you know, again, I wanted to start in the beginning, and I put November here. So normally I'd be starting at November, which would be towards the end. And so I left this blank. I think I'm doing a lot of explaining that's unnecessary. So anyway, there are no month headers. So what I did was I created these stickers that kind of match the vibe of the planner. And these stickers are available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. So what month is this? January. I lost my train of thought. So we'll put on our little month sticker. I was going to say something else. Someone used my Fetch referral, so thank you so much. That got me like 3,000 bonus points or something. So thank you. Very thankful for that. I do have a bunch of links, like referral links, down in my description. I have like my YouTube TV, my Ally referral, which actually, now that it's a new year, I don't know if the Ally referral is on anymore. But I have a bunch of stuff down there. So like, if you're ever like interested, Rakuten, check those out, because if you sign up, it doesn't only benefit me, it benefits you as well. You get bonuses, I get bonuses. It's all, you know, it's mutually beneficial. Okay. So let's see, we're not doing a whole lot. What are we doing? So let's see, we're gonna do $80 for my mom. So let me put that to the side right now. 20, 40, 60, 80. She's actually right upstairs, so I think this time I won't need to make a note for that. For once in my life, I'll just go give that to her when I'm done filming. $150 for the wallet, but I will need some change. And then we're gonna do 15 for vacation, but that's gonna be in prop money, and then 10 of this is gonna go to challenges. So actually this is basically all wallet money, except that I need some change, and 10 of it's gonna go to challenges, only because, as I always tell you guys, I can only take increments of 20 out of the ATM. So I need some change, and the question is, where am I getting it from? Where am I getting it from? Let's check in vacation. Oh yeah, 10, 20, perfect. Okay, that was easy. Good. Okay. I do have so many videos right now that need to be filmed, which is excellent, because sometimes I'm out there struggling for something to film, so super happy about that. So let's see what this is. I think this should be 160 then. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60. Perfect. Okay, so 10 of this is going to go to the side for challenges. So I'm just going to put that with this money. That was the rollover. And then this is the wallet money. So this is just literally going to go right in the wallet. And that is my wallet stuffed for another 2 weeks. If you like this wallet, I have this linked also in my Amazon storefront. I like this because, again, without showing, it has a spot here for cash and stuff, and then of course a pocket for change, but then it has like a separate section for your license and cards and everything else, and it's like two like sort of separate sections. I don't know, I just kind of like it, and of course came in different colors and everything like that. Okay, and the last thing we're doing is just $15 to vacation, and that's going to be in prop money. I thought about putting it towards the 80 times 8 savings challenge book because we are so close to finishing that, but because we're so close to finishing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that with like a stuffing at some point. I have like 27, and I bumped you. I do that every time, so I am so sorry. I have like $27 or $28 to finish that. Sorry, I just stopped my complete train of thought because I heard my husband and mom talking about something crazy upstairs. I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, sorry. So yeah, we're gonna just put this 15 into vacation. Completely lost my train of thought. There's something crazy going on upstairs. $15. I did pay, so I told you guys my husband gave me the money for like to pay off the balance of the cruise, the $2,000. I told you guys there was going to be like 60, 70, 80 bucks left over, and that was just going to come in the sinking fund here. No, I just put that all towards the card because I had those couple excursions I booked. One was $150 and I think one was $140 total. So what's that, like $290 total? So I did not take the overage and put it in here. I just put it towards the card because why would I put it in here when there's still a balance on the card? So after the $2,000 was paid, there's like 270 bucks ish left on my card that has to be paid. Again, I have this money in here, and then I'm about to finish the 80 times 8, which is 640 bucks. So I have the money to cover it. So that will be paid shortly, and then I do want to book that drink package, like I said, which again, there's no rush on that. I could book that at any time, but I'll probably book it and then get it paid off just to have it done. And then finally I will, I think, have everything paid and then start saving for boarding the dog, gas to get to the port, parking, all that stuff, because that still needs to be saved, plus spending money. So we still have a lot of money that we need to save up. And actually, the only other thing I'm thinking we might need is, or might want, I should say, is the internet package. So this cruise did come with free Wi-Fi. However, we might want to upgrade that because we might want to do video calls with our kids, and it's a little bit of a longer cruise. That's a 9-day cruise, so we might want to do video calls home since it's it's myself and my husband going. We're going to be without our children. They're obviously going to miss us, and we're going to need the upgraded Wi-Fi to do that. It's like 240 bucks total. We haven't totally decided if we're going to do that yet, but we're definitely going to need the upgraded Wi-Fi, so we might end up doing that. We probably will end up doing that. So that's going to be another expense. Okay, so 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 225, 30, 31. Wait, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 249. Sorry, this video is a little bit all over the place, and now I'm making it long because I'm like rambling. But it's almost done, I promise. Actually, it is done. Is it done? It's done. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for staying till the end. I love you guys. I'm grateful that you're here. Let's kick butt in 2026. Thanks for sticking around here for all these years with me. Yeah, I love you guys. I will catch you in the savings challenge video, and then it's really going to be time to count up the finish challenges, because why haven't I done that yet? I don't know. It's like one of the most exciting things for me anyway. So why haven't I done that yet? What's wrong with me? I don't know. But, yeah, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.